So now Archana, you are going to show us a special Sindhi sweet, that is Tosha, which is evergreen Sindhi sweet. So Archana,
This tosha is found in many Sindhi houses. सभई ठाहींदा आहिनि, ॾाढो मशहूरु आहे और रसोई खां पोइ सभिनी खे खपे मिठो माल खाइण वास्ते, त इहे घर में हूंदो ई आहे, ख़राबु न थींदो आहे, 3 हफ़्ता 2 हफ़्ता ताईं हलंदो ई आहे, छो घर जी ठहियलु शइ आहे, ॿारनि खे बि ॾाढो वणंदो आहे.
So shall we start now?
हाँ, शुरू था कयूं आज. So I have taken the maida, I have put a little sugar in लूण सां सां मिठी शइ में थोरी वधीक
Pinch of salt.
Yeah, a pinch of salt. The taste enhances the taste of sweetness. Okay, then you can add 4 tablespoons ghee in this, melted.
You have to make in pure ghee only this one.
Yeah, I make it in ghee. It stands nice and crispy. So see, Sangeeta, this is now, it should be like that. So if you just touch, it will break. It should be that much. Ha. So that moin is that much, okay? So this is how it is done for the tosha. So you know it is right. Okay. Then we will add the sugar water.
The sugar is melted in that?
Yeah. So the sweetness goes even inside the tosha. Slightly little. Anyway, it's going to be dipped. चाशनी में डिप थियल हूंदा तोशा, तॾहिं बि four pinches of soda, mix it well.
The dough should be made with the
water now.
Normal temperature water?
Yes, now I'll make it with normal water. And it should be very hard dough. So now we have made this dough.
It is quite hard.
Yes, it is hard. So you can see. Okay. Now we'll rest this dough for 10 minutes and then we'll make the toshas.
Okay.
So now the dough has been rested and we'll proceed in making the toshas. So you can make finger sized ones, this size, and you make little thin because as we've put soda, he fundan then.
Okay.
में तव्हां ॾिसी था सघो अटे में in each tosha you can see some lines, so means it is perfect.
It's rested well.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the ghee is correct in that.
Yeah, it should be like that. The marks should be there. हुन में थोड़ा हीअं चीर नज़र अचनि थोड़ा. Now the toshas I have made and kept. So I'm going to take half of this quantity to fry.
Is enough hot?
Yeah.
It should be high flame or sim flame?
I have heated it up, so it will. I'm going to put half of these toshas. So you can see the bubbles are coming. So it is done. It means the oil is hot. See, now this has risen and you should handle it very carefully because it's a chance of breaking. Very delicately.
It should be fried till it's brown.
Yeah, I'm going to refry it. So this will get color a little. I will remove it and let it cool down.
We fry in medium flame itself?
Yeah, on little medium flame. When this is half done, I'll remove it and then I'll put this till then this will cool down. After removing, it will cool down till this gets done. Then I'll refry this. So these toshas are half done now. हे अधिका तरजी वेन मां हे लाए करे रखना.
This much brown is enough.
हाँ, slightly छो हे वरी मां तरना.
तेल से जो निकली हुई.
हाँ. This has been done half. Now I will put the second lot. Till the second lot is getting done, he be vadai thai thi. Desta he thada thi venda.
Then which they get thada thi when again you will deep fry that.
हाँ,
Same. But
हाँ.
it will be done in the same flame itself.
Yeah, a little low flame. So अंदर ताई पके कच्चा न हो जान.
One.
Keep it from up only. So I am refrying this, the first lot. जेको पेरो दफो तरियो, यो मां हारे वरी तरी करे कढना. So the second lot I have removed. The first lot has cooled down. हे थदा थी वेन मां हारे हे वरी तरना. So I have taken the sugar, खंड खईया, थोरो पानी विझजे, this thing, खाली ही एतिरो, थोरो उन खंड जे मथो हुजे. Rose essence. So I am putting a little ilachi powder, cardamom powder. I'll increase the flame.
Only sugar should melt in it.
Yeah, and it should go on cooking so it will become very thick. ॾाढी घाटी चाशनी खपे त हे तोशन में कोट थियन.
One.
I'm adding a little rose essence now. Very little, just a drop. Now the bubbles are coming and it is quite thick, the syrup. The toshas have cooled down. Now we will add the toshas.
It will soak the full syrup in that.
Yeah. Now I will just mix it. I'm just heating it up for a minute. Just a minute.
On gas only.
Now
You have to be careful, it should not
break.
break.
Yeah. Now, okay. Now
One.
Now I've off the gas, the flame is off. I'm going to remove it off in this so it will cool.
This sugar syrup will go off inside that.
Yes, it's coated. So as the sugar syrup cools down, it will solidify.